Hey, what's up guys, this is Farouk and welcome back to another video. About 2 weeks ago, I ordered the cage for my Sony a6500. The first one was the handlebar, the wooden grip, the cage itself, and an extra cool shoe mount. There are several purposes for this cage. The first one is to protect my camera, and the second one is neither to protect but to add some accessories on the cage. Especially if you're using a $1,500 camera and the cage will help to protect the camera is a good idea. Like we all protect our mobile phone, laptop, and the other accessories. I choose the SmallRig over the other brands in the market because it's easy to install, and when I look up their SmallRig website, it was on sale. Out of the box, I get the handle, a wooden grip, a cage itself, and a cool shoe mount. Good thing about it, you get the Allen key and the screw with each package. Installing of the cage is pretty simple. It's just need a 2 screw, one on the bottom of the camera and the second one on the side. Installing the grip is easier too. There is only 3 screws. Installing a handlebar is quite easy. First I was thinking to install on the side, but after that I choose to install on the top because it was a lot more easier to handle it, and I can use it for dolly effect or a couple of other effects, and there is a screw hole on the top where I can add the monitor or the light or other accessories if I choose to. There is already a cool shoe mount on the top of the handle. I choose the SmallRig over the other brands in the market because it's easier to install, and when I look up the SmallRig website, it was on sale. There is a lot of different screw holes on the cage and can be used for the different attachment. In my setup, I got 3 cool shoe mount, the one on the cage, one on the handle. The extra cool shoe mount I choose to put on the top right to install my Rode Video Micro. On the right side there is a NATO rail, but I intend to use it later. The bottom cage is like a quick release plate and even can mount on a tripod. Like I have a tripod head right here, a lot more easier with this cage. This cage gives you access to the C1, C2 and have access to the battery and the memory card slot. With the cage on, I can use the camera for photography too. Let me know in the comments what's your thoughts. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. That is it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace. Oh, this dust.